Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the track showcasing the sounds of the Carl Martin compressor. As you can see from the screen, it's another beautiful machine. It's a small form, lots of room for it on your board, very simple in design, compression knob, level knob and a bypass switch, so that's it. You've got your in and your out on top, and your DC power is 9 volt, but you can run it on 12 volt if you want to have a slightly different dynamic range according to the it's a different sonic quality apparently. So this is my clean sound, and as I always start, let's just take it at unity and see what we've got here. Just from the off, you've got a really great usable sound. So I was actually using those exact sounds for both sounds on the video. So for the funk thing, and also the now, of course, you can turn the comp down. The more compression you give, the less level, so you have to knock the level up. And of course, a compressor is essentially a limiter as well, so wherever you set this to is wherever it will land. So if we go a very so actually you're getting a bit of boost there. We turn the compression up. You can see whatever I'm putting into the compressor now, be it a heavy sound or a low sound, it will always come out on the same level. Now, another thing you can do with the compressor, which I was thinking about doing on the track but I didn't do it, is you can use it as a slight addition to your distorted sound. So if I put on a drive sound now, so that's my dry sound there. On my Carl Martin Plexitone, I might add. And then if you add the limiter, you get slightly more distortion coming out. Let's just do that same phrase without. And with it. Yeah, that note carries a little bit further, so it's a great additional tool for your distorted sound as well. If you just want to kick your sound over the edge, you can use it for that. Once again, a lovely pedal. Thanks to CERN at Carl Martin for sending it over. It's a very basic pedal, but it does what it says on the tin. It's a great compressor, great addition to your armoury. And again, coming up in the future, I'm hoping to get together a full board with Carl Martin products, so I can show you a full board beginning to end, just all the Carl Martin stuff, and I hope you'll enjoy that. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video very, very soon. Take care, guys.